Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Kev here, and today I want to do a quick review on the Aukey USB-A to USB-C adapter. Stay tuned. Okay, so like I said in the intro, we have the Aukey USB 3.0A adapter to USB-C adapter. I got this for my MacBook Pro, not knowing when I got this. Actually, and there's this stuff right there. When I got the MacBook Pro, it's a 2017 MacBook Pro without the touch bar. And when I got this, I didn't realize that it only had these two USB-C ports. And yeah, I literally bought the MacBook and got home, went to go plug in my USB, and since it's my first MacBook, I didn't know that I needed an adapter or a dongle or anything. And I was looking at prices for them, and $80. Some of them, the cheapest ones I honestly found, like dongles with multiple like plugins, were $15 to $30. But you know, I'm pretty cheap, so I was looking for the cheapest alternative, and I've actually heard of this brand before. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open it. So open, and you're greeted with a manual, which doesn't have anything important in here because it's just a plug and play device. But it comes with this, and this is just a sticker key, and it's just your warranty. It's a 24-month product warranty. Yeah, if anything ever goes wrong, you got this, and probably send you a new one. So this is what's in the box as far as the product. I ended up choosing they have three different colors. They have a white, black, and then they have this this space gray color. And obviously I chose this because it matches the MacBook really nice. So let's just take these out. And these ones are actually made out of aluminum. The other two colors are made out of plastic, the black and the white one that you could choose from. Those are made out of plastic, but these are made out of aluminum. And they are USB 3.0. They do support 5 gigabit speeds, and yeah, so it's pretty self-explanatory. You just plug this end into your MacBook or any device that has a USB-C, and then plug whatever the hell you want on this end. So let's just take this and show you how it looks when it's plugged in. Boom. This is my MacBook. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in on the side. The one thing that I'll say is bad about it, I would recommend the best way to use this is on a flat surface, so that you don't have to worry about it, you know, being snapped off. That's the scariest thing about this, honestly, is that if you are very clumsy, I wouldn't go with this. I guess just get the cable dongle that has the big brick at the other end, because this could ruin your port or something if you just hit this and snap it off. So I would recommend using it on a flat surface. If you're going to use it on your lap, it's kind of dangerous. You know, don't be near anybody or anything like that, because when you plug in your actual USB stick, it comes out pretty far. So I'll show you right now what it would do. So I'm going to take my USB and plug this in and see how far it comes out. It's like kind of dangly, but you would expect that because it's just so much longer. So it's kind of sitting on the desk, so there's really nothing to worry about. But if you had this on your lap, all this is just going to be floating just like that. So anybody could just come by and literally karate chop that off and just ruin your port. Another thing that you could use these for is if you use remote play or play any games on your MacBook that require a controller. You could definitely use these, and they work. I tried remote play and plugged in my controller, and it worked right away. There was no problems. It just read my controller without any issues, and I was just playing. But yeah, it works really well. There's, you know, I have zero problems with it. It's fast. But yeah, that's probably the biggest thing. If you're a very clumsy person, I don't recommend it. So as far as price now, the reason why I chose this one, Anker had a similar priced device and it was the same thing. It looks just like this, and Anker's a really good brand and stuff, and I actually wanted to go with it, but Anker's selling one for, I think it was $10. They're selling one for $10, and Aukey is selling you two for $9. So, you know, you don't have to be too crazy at math, but you get two of them for the price of one, and they're really cheap. Another thing, I guess, I just remembered just now that you can't do is, say you plug this in right here, you can't use a second one. Oh, never mind. Yes, you can. Oh, sweet. Okay, so they do fit together. I thought they would be too close to fit two at the same time, but they do actually fit two together. Okay, so if you needed two USB ports, they do fit side by side. I thought they would be too thick, but they do fit side by side. So disregard what I just said. So, and also the charger still fits while it's in there. Again, the biggest thing is do not be a clumsy person and karate chop this off. But other than that, these are really reliable so far. I've had them for about a week. I use them every single day. If you guys are interested in picking some up, I'll leave a link in the description. And they're only $9 for two, instead of buying a whole dongle for $20+ or $80 for the really expensive ones. These are definitely not a bad way to go if you're on a budget. So I recommend these highly. Alright, thank you guys for taking your time and watching the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.